His door.
Sideways door.
Somebody left their hook. Oh, gray card.
What? What is it? Gray?
Platinum.
It's only platinum.
You can request a printed copy of your cruise compass. Oh, very nice. We have champagne and macarons. Yay! This is awesome. Thank you, Carrie. We have champagne and macarons from Carrie. Thank you. Awesome.
Awesome.
The key drop-off luggage is here.
Yeah, so here's the macarons and the champagne that Carrie got for us. So thank you, Carrie. It's
Yes,
awesome.
Awesome.
And then, yeah, with the key, they went ahead and dropped off
The items that we left, which we don't have our roll-on luggage yet.
Not yet.
That will come. We have like a secondary window here.
Oh, cool. What is that?
Oh, because is this one of the extended?
I don't know.
Because it's on the angle?
Oh, yeah, maybe it is.
This is nice.
So we're in a,
Oh, this is big.
we're in a junior suite.
Check this out. We have loungers and upright chairs. This is so much room.
This is big. This is
Because it's
very
on the
big.
angle.
Yeah, so it's the lounge chairs. That's right.
This is where the ship starts to jet out. So here, the
Yeah.
rooms are further back and then the rooms angle out. So
Definitely a pretty large
this is awesome.
balcony. Oh yeah, and here's that window that you pointed out.
Yeah. It's too bad it's only a weekend. This is awesome. And then we have a little love seat, which I think we had a love seat as well on the Grandeur, but we had two chairs.
Yeah.
We have this ottoman chair, which is good. This will be useful. And then we have the coffee maker that exploded on us.
Yeah, that's the same coffee maker that we had on the Grandeur that didn't work out that well. I don't even know where you plug it in.
Yeah, we're not going to be plugging it in this time.
So
Let's see. Safe. Nice storage.
there's a safe.
This seems like a wider desk, or more
Yeah.
space on the desk.
So yeah, they do have a hairdryer right in here.
Yeah.
So for those inquiring if a hairdryer is included in the room, it is. So.
But you are allowed to bring your own as well. It is not prohibited to bring your
Hey,
own.
check
hairdryer.
this out. You're standing
Oh,
in
where
the
the
spot
pole
was the
was.
pole in the Grandeur, and it's not there. So
Oh, and look at this. You can like kind of separate the room off a
Yeah.
little bit if you're traveling with others. So that's
Yeah.
nice as well. I'm gonna close
that's
the door.
cool. But pretty spacious room.
This is a nice room.
Now, unfortunately, being a slightly older ship, again, we don't have the
No outlets. by the
outlets next to the bedside tables.
bed. We do have two
So-
standard outlets and one European outlet.
Okay, so yeah, European right here, and then the two standard outlets right there, which is pretty typical on most staterooms. So, still kind of curious where you
this a-
plug in the coffee maker.
Is this a no? This isn't a connecting room. This looks
No.
like a connecting room. Oh, but this is all magnetic. So if you have your magnets with you, that's
That's probably the closet, isn't it?
yeah. I think it's a closet.
Oh my goodness, that's a huge closet.
Ooh, it's a walk-in closet. This is nice with the racks, and then
Yeah.
really good storage here. If we had a long cruise, we could have towel animal storage here.
Well, it is towel animal storage anyways, because you have like oh my gosh, you know what? That is like a shelf for every day for a towel animal. So that's pretty funny. All right,
Okay.
bathroom.
Check the bathroom. Lights on the outside. It's a little dated. Oh, interesting.
It's like the first thing you said. It's a little dated.
Interesting. Look at this tub situation. This is like a tall step into the tub.
That is a tall step. I mean,
that comes up to my knee, which
yeah.
is, I would say, at least 2 feet.
Well,
Maybe 18 inches.
you know what that's actually going to prevent is from you not flooding the bathroom like you did last time. Well, maybe you could still flood.
Anything's possible.
So, but yeah, I mean, the tile in here,
It's
the finish
dated.
is a little dated. The colors obviously show a little bit of that.
You do have storage on both
bit of dateness,
sides of the
but-
vanity.
Yeah, that's nice. But still, I mean, plenty of room.
You have nice room.
Yeah. So, but I mean, the room itself is a pretty nice size. So,
Yeah, we'll enjoy this.
for a short time, since
I
it's
know. It's Friday and we get kicked off on Monday.
it's only a 3-day cruise. I
What's up with that?
don't know. Oh well.
It'll be a good weekend.
Yeah, it'll be quick, but we'll enjoy the short time on here and definitely enjoy this.
Oh, yes, we
Thanks
gotta break
again,
into
Carrie.
that. Yes, thank you,
This
Carrie.
is awesome. But other than that, that's about it in this room. It's about, I'd say, about the same size as Grander, but
No pole.
no pole.
And you do have extra room because of how it's angled.
Yeah,
So it's a really nice room.
yeah,
This-
it does fan out going towards the balcony, and the balcony's such a nice size too.
Yeah.
So we'll enjoy the little time that we have out there.
Yes. Bye. It's a good room.
It was really good.